Preston here with Landis, and today I want to talk about quality management tools in Landis Contact Center. We've done a lot of development over the last few years to improve the quality management. When you think about quality management, normally a supervisor or a manager of some kind is going to be looking at the interactions. So we have a few options. Number one, if you have a live call that's going on, I'm right here in the Landis Contact Center and my team's client, I have a live call that's ongoing. And if I jump into that call, I can see a live transcription as the call is going on of what both the agent and the caller is saying. So this could give you the ability to jump in and kind of view what is going on in the call instead of having to listen in to hear the information or maybe look at the recording later in order to see how that call went. This is a live option where you can see what's going on. The other thing you have right in this panel is then being able to interact with that call, like listened in if you want to jump in and hear what's going on, or whisper in to give your agent some information. So these live options are there. We also have a sentiment that is sentiment analysis that can be enabled in the system, and it can flag calls that are running a little bit low in sentiment, giving the manager the ability to be alerted, jump into that call, look at the transcript, and see if it's a call that they want to intervene into the call for any reason. Now, after an interaction is completed, a supervisor or manager may be tasked with coming back in and scoring a interaction or checking to make sure that the quality of the interaction was up to the standards of the organization. So let me jump into recordings here. We're going to actually pull up the information on that call that we just saw moments ago, that test call. I can listen to this call back, so I can listen to the recording. I can see the transcript. I can enter a score. I can make notes of any kind that I may want to review, and then I can add tags. Tags gives you the ability to sort these scored interactions. So maybe this one needs to be reviewed with agent. And so I mark that as that, and then I can either save the edits and come back later. So quite a long recording that you need to do in two different sessions is fine. But once I'm done with it, I can complete the score and it locks that in. Now we do have another report called the Quality Management Report. And this gives you any scores that were done or partially done. And you can see the scores. You can sort by the tags that were used. It gives you the ability to come back to the ones that were done and check in on them. And if you need to review them, you can do that. Now, this scoring and this quality management tools, they are quickly evolving. We continue to add features and functionality around this, seemingly on every update in Landis Contact Center, and we'll try to keep you updated on all the options as they come out. What we have today works great. It gives you the ability to do the scoring right in the system, to track it, to see how well your agents are performing, ultimately to make sure that your clients are experiencing the results that you're looking for them to get. Thanks a lot for listening today. If you have any questions, please contact us. You can reach us through our website at landistechnologies.com.